Let's talk about your study English. I will ask you some questions. Please answer in full sentences. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's start. Where do you study English?
I study English at VCE.
What time do you study?
I study at 6 to 7 p.m.
What level are you in?
I am in GP1.
What skill are you good at?
I am good at reading and speaking.
Why do you study English?
Because it is an international language.
Where do you live?
I live in Chambok High Village.
What is your address?
My address is Chambok High Village, Port Commune, Port District, and Siem Reap Province.
What is your postcode?
My postcode is 1700609.
What is your mobile phone numbers?
My phone number is 078322271.
What is your email address?
My email address is nitavce.com.
Well done. You did a great job talking about your study English. Keep practice about your study English and see you next time.
Thank you, teacher.